Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new, hello. My name is BlancaEstelaBeauty, and for now, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a foundation and primer review. Now, I was supposed to do this like 2 months ago when it actually came out, but stuff happened and didn't happen. But anyways, I'm going to be reviewing, I'm going to tell you guys my review on NYX's new Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation and primer. So this is what they look like. Right here. And I actually was about to film it, like actually sat down and I was gonna like do the demo like I always do, like put it on and then tell you guys an hourly check, but I didn't. I don't want to get into it, but yeah, I am going to tell you guys my review on it. So it's gonna be a pretty short video. Okay, so let me tell you what happened. The first time I tried it out with the primer and then I put the foundation on, and I was way too matte. I got really cakey and I didn't like the way it looked at all. And this isn't my shade, by the way. That's why I actually don't have it on right now, because it's not my shade. It is really, really dark. So I am wearing the Born This Way foundation. But I do... Okay, first let me back up. Okay, so I tried it on. I was really cakey and stuff. I didn't like it. So I was like, I'm not gonna like it. I hate it. But then I was like... When I put on the primer, I immediately noticed that I was going to be really, really matte. So then I thought that maybe the primer was too matte and then this is way too matte. So putting them together probably isn't a good idea. So I put it on the first time. I didn't like how it looked, so I took it off. And then I was like, I really want to like it. So I gave them both a second try. So what I did, I used this on its own and then I used this on its own. And girl, by themselves, they are amazing. Don't put them together. I mean, if you have oily skin, I mean, depending on how oily you are, I thought I was really oily and this was really matte for me. So if you have dry skin, I do not recommend this to you guys. If you are oily, if you're super, super oily, then maybe you'll like to use both of them together. But I didn't like it together. But separately, they are amazing. This one does a really, really great job at keeping you matte all day long. I work 10-hour shifts and this keeps me matte all 10 hours. Girl, like, oh my god. I love it. I did repurchase this. I do have a new one because I'm almost out of this one. So I bought a new one. But I do love it. I use it almost every day. I did start using a new primer that I'm going to review later on. So I have been using this in like 2 weeks. But I do really, really love it. I do recommend that you have really, really oily skin. Sorry, but don't put a lot. If you put a lot, it is going to get really matte and you're going to get really cakey. So only put a little bit. Or sometimes what I do is I'll put this on first, and then on top of it I'll put on my Tatcha Silk Canvas primer, and that actually works really, really good because it is really, really matte. But I do recommend it. I do love this primer. So yes. Okay, so the foundation, like I said, it's not my shade, so I haven't been using it. I been wanting to buy a lighter one so I can mix them together and then actually wear it. But like I said, I wore the first time, I didn't like it. I did wear it the second time by itself. I actually wore the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer underneath this, and girl, I loved it. It looked really nice on me. I like the coverage, and it actually kept me matte all day too. I tried this out like the first day with... I forgot what foundation I used, but I liked it. And then I tried I put on the Tatcha primer with this on, and actually stayed on all day. It didn't get cakey. It didn't get cakey. It didn't fade. It didn't go anywhere. So I do recommend both of these, not together, but by themselves. So yeah, I didn't want to wear it today because, like I said, it's not my shade, and I did it, and I actually was gonna film other videos today. I actually did film other videos today, and I don't want to look too dark in my video, so that's why I didn't try it on or do a demo for you guys. But 10 hours it lasted. Both of them, I love it. The primer, it is matte, but I didn't see any difference on like my pores and stuff. It didn't really cover them up or anything, which is fine. But yeah, like I said, I do love the primer and the foundation separately. So I do recommend it to you guys. Not together though. I can't stress that enough. I mean, if you want to try it on, maybe I put in too much primer and too much foundation the first time, but I'm not gonna put them on together ever again. So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Like I said, it was a short and sweet video. If you guys enjoyed this review, let me know what other products you guys want me to review. Like I said, I am trying out a new primer that I will be making a video about it pretty soon. What else am I testing out right now? I have a feeling I was testing out a foundation and no foundation. I do have a lot of other palettes to use that I want to use on camera. Let me look at my drawer. Oh, I am going to be testing out a mattifier with a really dewy foundation. So keep an eye on that. I'm pretty excited to try it out. I've heard really good things about it. So, and I have another unboxing coming soon. Another haul coming soon. What else? I think that's it. I don't have any announcements other than that. Oh, I did make my own vanity. It's a DIY under $200. I'm going to be filming that, but not soon. I have other videos in mind that I want to do first. But if you guys want me to film that for you guys now and upload it sooner than later, let me know. I can actually get that done for you guys if you guys want to see that. It's under $200. I did everything. Girl, it took me months, but it was worth it. I love the way it looks. It's my new setup, actually, how I'm filming. I did get a new background and actually feel like I have more room now to actually do stuff. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know what else you guys want to see on my channel. I love you guys, and until next time.